Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start! Today, we're going to see how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. Imagine you want to add a song to your Facebook story. First, you have to open the app and go to Add Story. At the top of the screen, you will see Music. Click there and select a song. For example, I will choose any song to demonstrate. Your story should now have the song. If you can add music, follow these steps. First, go to the App Store. Then search for Facebook and ensure that the application has no pending updates. This could be causing the app to malfunction and affecting the story's future. Click Update if any update is available, and then try adding the song to your Facebook story again. If the issue is still there, you can try the following. Delete Facebook application from your phone. Then find the app, press and hold it, and choose to delete it. Then go again to the App Store and download it again. Test it if the problem is resolved after reinstalling the app.